ColorChecker unboxing. We're going to look at the price here. I don't know if you can see this here, but $157.94. So $150 and then $8 something tax on it. So again, $150 and then $10 tax, $160 for this. That's how it looks like. Okay, we're going to open this up. There is this little plastic piece. It's like a good plastic. And then in here is the lanyard. And here it has a little pocket, probably to put your expensive receipt in there. Put that on there. Lanyard, that you don't lose it, because I think losing is one thing, and then you want this thing protected in a way that you don't have too much light going in there. You know? For that amount of money, you don't want it having lay around somewhere and get dirty. So most likely the best and safest spot is around your neck. You know, that nobody takes it from you. Okay, here like this. Click it on there and then you have it on the lanyard. And now let's take a quick look inside. Oh right, look at that. That's how big it is. And then you can fold it over to the other side. I don't know, like this. Okay, so that's a focus thing. The grayscale. So that's all. There's X-Rite on it. All rights reserved. So this is for video. It doesn't say on here where it's made, where it came from. Or it says made in the United States of America, made in USA. The copyrights X-Rite and Pantone color, and then it says here the contents, right? A protective case, ColorChecker targets is a video target, white balance target, a grayscale target, focus target, and lanyard. That's what you get for that money. There it is. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Where's top and bottom? Oh, here. Yeah, look. Good?